5 serum mistakes that you are making that might be the reason why your serum is not working for you, or might be the reason why you're not seeing tangible results in the serums that you're using. On this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 mistakes that a lot of people are making when it comes to using serum. I want us to be playing a game at the end of this video. After listing the 5 serum mistakes, I want you guys to be scoring yourself based on those mistakes that you are guilty of. If you are guilty of 5 of those mistakes, you're going to score yourself 5/5. If you're guilty of two, you're going to score yourself 2/5. And if you're guilty of none, you're going to score yourself 0/5. So don't spoil the fun. Before we get into that, guys, please kindly like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. So without further ado, let us dive straight into it. So I'm going to be starting with the 5th serum mistakes that a lot of you are making. Now, the number 5 serum mistakes that a lot of you are making is skipping exfoliation or not even exfoliating at all. Guys, except that serum contains exfoliating ingredients, either the alpha hydroxyl acid or the beta hydroxyl acid, please, exfoliating is very important. You want to exfoliate your skin, you want to get rid of the dead skin cells or any buildup that you have on your face in order to ensure that your pores are clean and they are also open enough to enable all the ingredients that are in your serum to penetrate into your pores and do what they are supposed to do. And when it comes to exfoliating your face, guys, I will always recommend a chemical exfoliant because the skin on the face is very tender. All those sugar scrubs and the rest, sometimes they are too hard on the skin and they might end up not even doing the job the way they are supposed to do, especially for those that have textured skin and that need something that will go deep into the skin and get rid of all those clump pores and debts that are trapped under the skin and bring them out. If not, a physical scrub cannot do that. A physical scrub just work on the surface level. It doesn't go into your skin and do what they are supposed to do. So I will advise you to include exfoliation in case you've not been exfoliating, at least even if it's once in a week. Exfoliation is very important. If you are not exfoliating, then I'm sorry, forget it. You can actually use a physical scrub if you want to, but make sure that physical scrub is gentle on the skin, and when using it, don't be too hard on the skin. And you can go for either a toner, a serum, or even a face wash that contains all these AHA and BHA acid in them. If you're suffering from hyperpigmentation, you want to go with glycolic acid as a chemical exfoliant. If you have a dry skin, I will advise you opting for lactic acid as your chemical exfoliant. If you're oily skin, look out for ingredients like salicylic acid that is going to help to gently exfoliate your skin. The mistake number 4 that a lot of people are making when it comes to serums is you are applying your serum in the wrong order. I see a lot of people applying their face moisturizers first, immediately they come out of the shower. That is wrong, guys. Mostly serums are actually lightweight and they are a kind of in a liquid form. It's just few that are normally very thick. Okay, so I will advise that you always apply your serum first immediately you come out of the shower. Apply your serum first and allow it to sit in for like a minute or two before topping up with your moisturizer. If you apply your moisturizer before your moisturizer contains all these emollients and wax that have the tendency to create a barrier to block the ingredients that are in your serum. Instead of those ingredients to get into your skin and do what they're supposed to do, they might end up getting trapped. You've already create a barrier preventing them from getting into the skin. And for people that are using multiple serums, you want to go in with the most liquid, the most thinner, or the most lightweight serum first before those ones that are a little bit thicker. If you apply the thicker one before the thinner one, it is still going to create a barrier. It might not allow the thinner serum to get into your skin. But once you go with the thinner one first and then the thicker one at the top, It's going to make it more efficient for all the serums and the ingredients that are in them to penetrate into your skin at a more efficient pace. Serum mistake number 3 is that you are rubbing your serum too hard on your skin. What do I mean by that? A lot of people, when applying their serum, they massage the serum too hard on the skin as if they're applying a moisturizer. No, it is not supposed to be that way. When you use your dropper and then you drop on your forehead and then you drop on your chin, both the left and the right chin, what you're going to do is you're going to gently use your hand to spread them across your face. After spreading them across your face, all you need to do is just a kind of press them into the face so that they will sit into the face and then do what they are supposed to do. Do not press your serum too hard on your skin like you're rubbing your moisturizer, because at the end of the day, all the ingredients that were supposed to sink into your skin will be stuck in your hand. So just use the gentle spread method and then you press it in. That is it. Serum mistake number 3 is that you are using too many serums at a go. I've seen a lot of people using like 3 to 4 serum at a particular routine. Guys, that is wrong. Serums are actually very, very concentrated and you don't need too much in your routine. I will advise you not to go with more than 2 serums at a go. Most of those serums are formulated specially to tackle a specific skin concern or sometimes 2 or more skin concerns. So you don't need to apply like 4 or 5 serums on your face. You might end up irritating your face, okay? So just know how to, even if let's assume you have 4 serums, you can share them in your routine in a way that it will not be too much. You can decide to use 2 in your morning routine, like all those vitamin C serum and hyaluronic serum. You can use them in your morning routine. Then all the retinol and those serums that contains actives or chemical exfoliants like the salicylic acid and the glycolic acid, let them come in your night routine. But do not combine 4 serums at a go. You're using 4 in your morning routine, you're using 4 serums in your night routine. You're going to have skin irritation and redness if care is not taken. Serum mistake number 1 is consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. I've seen a lot of people like they are battling with being consistent, not just in skincare and even other aspects of life. Guys, let me tell you something. Rome was not built in a day. When it comes to your skin, you want to be patient. Skincare is not magic. It is not rocket science. That's just the truth. Okay? The problem with a lot of people is they jump into every TikTok trend that they see. Once a new product or any TikTok influencer introduce a new product, they just jump into it. Guys, if you continue this way, you will never be able to see results or get your desired skin complexion. If you get a new product, before you make up your mind that that product is not good enough, make sure you give that product at least 3 to 6 months before you conclude. Possible that you might not see any result in the first month of using that product, but subsequently from the second month, in some products, if at least 2 weeks, you will start seeing results no matter how little it is. Just be consistent. With time, you're going to see results. So jumping from one serum to another is not going to do you any good. Just choose your serum based on your skin concern and stick to it, guys. You don't need to jump from one serum to the other. That brings us to the end of this video. At this point, I'm sure you might have scored yourself 0/5, 5/5, or 3/5. Let me know the serum mistakes that you are guilty of in the comment section. No cheating, guys. I'll be there in the comment section. If you have any questions that you want to ask, feel free to drop them in the comment section and I'll be there to answer you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're still here to subscribe, please kindly subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and also like this video. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. See you guys in our next video. Bye.